Me first, me first.
Why should you be first?
Because I'm a lady, that's why.
You're not a lady.
You're nothing but a sister.
I'll show you if I'm a lady or not. Get her, Burials, get her!
Fight fair, Marie.
Females never fight fair.
Now that hurt. Mama, Mama!
Marie, darling, Marie, you must stop that. This is really not ladylike. And Berlioz, but such behavior is most unbecoming to a lovely gentleman.
Well, she started it.
Ladies do not start fights, but they can finish them.
Berlioz, now don't be rude.
We were just practicing biting and clawing.
Aristocrats do not practice biting and clawing and things like that. It's just horrible.
But someday, we might meet a tough alley cat. Meow!
Now that will do. It's time we concerned ourselves with self-improvement. Now you want to grow up to be lovely, charming ladies and gentlemen. Now Toulouse, you go and start on with your painting.
Yes, Mama.
Mama, may we watch Toulouse paint before we start our music lesson? Please?
Well, yes, my love, but you must be very quiet.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
It's Edgar.
Yeah, old Picklepuss Edgar.
Old Picklepuss. Oh, now, Berlioz, that is not kind. You know Edgar is so fond of all of us and takes very good care of us.
Rock-a-bye it is, bye-bye you go. La, 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 and I'm in the dough. Oh, Edgar, you sly old fox.
Oops. Oh, dear. A slip of the hand and it's off to dreamland. I say, that's not at all bad. Slip of the hand, dreamland.
Now let's leave Toulouse to his painting. Now, dear, you go to the piano. Now, run along. Both of you go ahead.
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
It's time to practice your scares and your arpeggios.
Ouch!
I'm ready, my straw.
Oh, Mama, he did it again.
Now, Berlioz, now please, darling, settle down and play me your pretty little song.